Mema wakwa baba wuni Opoku nsuya twi dwumadie so. I welcome you to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. We're going to start some series of lessons, and in this series we are going to learn the Twi Verbs. We have learned the two-letter vocabularies, and that one involved nouns as well as what? Verbs. But this time around, we are going to concentrate on the Twi Verbs. And I can assure you, if you're able to follow these lessons through to the end, you should be able to speak the Twi language up to 80%. So, sit back and relax and grasp these verbs. And as you do that to the end, you should be able to speak the Twi language. So, without wasting your ears, we are going to set the ball rolling. The first verb that we are going to learn is what? Be. Be. What does that mean? It means open. Open. So how would you say open? You will say be. How would you say open the door? Door in Twi is known as what? Epono. So we will say be epono no. Be epono no. Open the door. How would you say open the door for me? You will say be me. Even though door is known as epono and you are saying open the door for me, however, you will not mention the name of door in this statement. You will only say be me, like saying open me. Yeah, literally it means open me, but the natives understand it to be what? Open the door for me. Be me. How would you say open the windows? You will say be mpoma no. Mpoma is what? Window. Be mpoma no. Open the windows. So when we say be, it means what? To open. To open. Well, if you open something, then you will have to what? Close it, isn't it? Yeah. So how would you say close it? In Twi, you will say tum. So if you are to give an imperative statement, close it, you will say tum. That is what? Close it. So how would you say close the door? You know door is what? Epono. We will say to epononum. And that is what? Close the door. Close the door. So how would you say close the windows? We will say to mpomanum. And that is what? Close the windows. Good. Let's go to the third vocabulary. The third vocabulary is what? Bobo. When we say bobo, it means what? To roll up something or to fold something. So if I have this and you tell me Opoku bobo, that is roll it up, then I will do this. Me bobo. Or if you tell me fold it up, you will also say Opoku bobo, and I will do this. Me bobo. Okay? And that is what? Bobo. How do you say roll up the mat? Roll up the mat. In Twi, mat is known as what? Kete. So we say bobo keteno. So if this were to be the mat, then I will do this. And that will mean what? Me bobo keteno. Bobo keteno. Good. How would you say fold up the cloth? Fold up the cloth. The cloth is known as what? Ntoma in Twi. So you will say bobo ntomano, and I will do just that. Mebobo. That means I will fold it up. or I will roll it up. Me bobo. Bobo. So bobo means what? To roll something up or to fold something. Good. So bobo, that means if you fold it up, you will have to also what? Unfold. So how do we say unfold it or unfold in Twi? In Twi we will say Sane. Sane. And this is the same vocabulary that we use for what? Untie. Untie. So unfold and untie, we use one word for that, and that is what? Sane. 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 So let's take this to be a cloth, and you want to tell me, Opoku, unfold the cloth. This is what I will do. I will unfold it. In this case, I will say me sane. Me sane ntomano. Me sane. That is what? Unfold. Unfold. Good. So sane means what? To unfold. Good. If I were to tie this with a rope, I tie this with a rope, and you want me to untie, you will still say Sane ntomano, and then I will do this. Me sane. Sane. So untie, also we say what? Sane. Sane. Good. Doing this also makes me remember another verb. In Twi, if you are doing this, we say kyekyere. Kyekyere, that is, you are tying. So in this case, me kyekyere, I am tying the cloth. Kyekyere, me kyekyere, I am what? Tying. Untie, Sane. Sane. Tie it, that is kyekyere. I'll do this. Kyekyere. Kyekyere. Tie it. Kyekyere. Kyekyere. Sane. Me sane. Me sane. Good. This is all time will permit us to end this lesson. But like I said, we're going to have series of lessons. So if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe so that anytime I make new video, you'll be informed. Thanks for watching.